LB Processors is the leading producer of high-quality emu oils that we produce at our FDA-registered, state-of-the-art facility in Chapmansboro, Tennessee. Browse our complete collection of products for the hair, hand and body, and skin on emuoil.com. We have a full line of high-quality emu oil-based products that are free of soy, gluten, and parabens, and we sell emu oils that have received the seal for fully refined oils from the American Emu Association. We also carry a wide range of hemp-based products such as our skin serum with broad-spectrum extract and our broad-spectrum soothing cream with glucosamine and emu oil. We do sell our emu oils and products in wholesale capacities and offer private labeling services for retail locations that want to become resellers of our premium emu oils and hemp-based products. For more information, visit us online at emuoil.com or contact us at 615-746-8485.